today we are, let me see, I'm cruising on Carnival Venetia, and we are in Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic, and I'm in love. This place is so beautiful. The cost of living is right there where I need it to be. The culture, the people, the vibe, everything is just so nice, and I'm feeling Puerto Plata. And today I took a tour with this bus right here. That is my tour bus. I took a tour, can't remember the name of it, top five highlights in Puerto Plata or something like that. I put it up on the screen, but no, top 10 actually. And so this video that I'm making is going to give you the highlights of what we did on this tour. It was a five-hour tour, I think. Pretty long tour, and we're still at it. So of course, you don't want a video that's 5 hours long. I am going to give you just a taste of all of the different places that we saw when we were on this tour, let you know why I've fallen in love with it, let you see how awesome this place is. If you've never been to the Dominican Republic, you're like me, you just don't know until you get here. So I definitely suggest, if you have the opportunity to take a cruise or a vacation out here to the Dominican Republic, I'm all for it. It's just awesome. I can't really explain it to you. You got to come see it for yourself. But hopefully this video will give you a taste of what I'm talking about. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will reply to them as soon as I can, and hope to see you on the next cruise. Hi. Yes, two questions. One, I have my little chair. I can't walk far, like just so I have in my head. How much walking is it? Is it a lot of walking, medium?
No, the longest walking we do is like in the city. We go from one corner to like 1 block walking.
Okay, not bad.
But we go from place to place, and we take breaks, have a seat, and things like that.
Okay, cool.
That whole walking journey.
Okay, all right. And I'm gonna make a YouTube video to advertise for you guys.
Go ahead.
What do I need to do to sit up front so I can get the best views?
I already block a seat, so I can give you a front seat.
Okay.
So you can be recording.
All right, I'll do that. You need this?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Excellent. So keep with me. Kelvin is my name. I will be your tour guide for the day.
Okay, thanks, Calvin.
We're gonna be using this wristband so you identify with our group.
All right.
There is. Everywhere we go, we have bathrooms available, but in case you need it before we leave, bathroom is behind them.
Okay.
Otherwise, get a spot behind zone 4.
Okay.
Wait for me, please.
All right. And about how long before we leave?
15 minutes more.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hola. Hola. How is everybody feeling today? Good. Hot? It's very hot outside, eh? So we should stay here. Yeah. Bring the rum and everything to the bus. Make the party here. You see, when I say rum, everybody. Oh. Well, first of all, everybody, good morning. Good morning and welcome to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. My name is Kelvin. Kelvin, K-E-L-V-I-N. Kelvin, just like the temperature. You know, it's Celsius, Fahrenheit, and then in Kelvin, yeah? So today I will be your tour guide. In other words, I'm the person in charge of making sure that you have a safe, a great, and an amazing day today with us. Are you ready? Yeah! Excellent. I like the energy here. It feels good. Yeah, you're ready for this. Our driver, yes, Mr. Emmanuel. Emmanuel. So, first time in the city of Puerto Plata. Let me see you. Please raise your hand. First time here, first time here. All right, almost everybody. Well, in Spanish, we say something. In Spanish, we say, mi casa es tu casa. That means my house is your house. So welcome home, all of you. Those of you that has been here before, welcome back home. So family, today we're doing top 10 best of Puerto Plata. Top 10 best of Puerto Plata. One of my favorite excursions because you get to see a little bit of everything. For example, today we're visiting Rum Factory. Macorix House of Rum. Somebody liked rum back there, yeah. That's a magic word. Every time I say rum, she's So we're going to the rum factory. We're gonna walk through the barrels of rum. We're gonna watch a video with the history about this rum, and then it's coming the best part of it, tasting. So you're gonna get to taste 5 or 6 different types of rum that they make. Yes, that's not a lot. That's not much. I don't know what's going on over there, but every time people go in one way, come out a different way. Don't know why, trying to find out. After you do the tasting, you can buy some bottles of rum over there. Bottles of alcohol, you are allowed to bring it on the ship, yes, but what they do is that they keep it with them. They take it from you, give it back to you at the end of your cruise ship, at the end of your vacation.
Welcome to Macorix House of Rum. My name is Michelle, and today I'm going to be your tour guide. You have to be ready, you should be ready, because today you're gonna try 6 different types of rum, okay?
Welcome to Macorix House of Rum. You are entering our aging warehouse. This is a bonded warehouse where the 100% Dominican sugarcane alcohol is aged in white American oak barrels.
Now you're gonna watch a video in how we make the rum, okay? It's only 2 hours. And then the best part, okay? The tasting part. So for now, enjoy your 2 hours.
Embark blend of elegant aromas and well-defined body, where wood provides an almond-like color, creating a magnificent combination with the Caribbean sunset.
For the next one right here, we have this one. You know this one? Of course, yes. Mama Juana is a liquor traditional from Dominican Republic. In this bottle has a mix of cinnamon, star anise, sweet cloves, honey, red wine, and rum with 30% of alcohol. So right here, this bottle, this is in process of fermentation. So the final liquid you can see in this bottle, we put in this one, and this is the one we sell and the one you are gonna try, okay? For this reason, you can see 2 bottles. The bottle of the process and the final liquid, okay? So now let's try Mama Juana.
Yes.
Is your first time trying Mama Juana?
No.
No?
My sister-in-law is from DR. She brought it for me.
Sorry. That's good?
Yes. I have to wait till they say salud. Wait, are we supposed to wait or drink it?
Just drink it. I took one sip myself and then I did one with her.
I thought we were supposed to wait till she say salud.
Man, very sweet. This is my picture of the second
Does amazing nobody else? So now everybody together, salud! Tell me, how was Mama Juana now? Good. Delicious, right? Yeah. For the next one right here, we have the flavors and tropical rum.
Thank you. Look at that. Let's see. Oh wow. This coconut tastes like, what does it taste like? It reminds me of, and it's cold. The rest of them are at room temperature. This one tastes like bread pudding. It tastes like bread pudding, but it's cold. Coconut, kind of like a pina colada. If you soaked bread pudding in a pina colada, that's what this tastes like.
Yes. So besides Rum Factory, then we're gonna go downtown area where we're gonna do a little walking, and we're going to the Umbrella Streets. The Umbrella Street is a very popular place in town for pictures opportunity. And also, there is a coffee and chocolate place over there at the Umbrella Streets. No Starbucks in here. Only one Starbucks in the whole island. And that's in Santo Domingo, 3.5 hours away from here in the capital. The thing is that coffee and chocolate are 2 of our biggest exportation of the island. For example, cacao, cocoa beans, it is our #1 biggest exportation of the Dominican Republic. We export most of it to Switzerland. Second big exportation, cigars. Cigars. Last year, our Dominican tobacco was elected as best one in the world. And the #1 cigar of the world was also chosen from the Dominican Republic. So it has become our second big exportation.
Can we buy cigars?
Can you buy cigars?
And take with us?
Yes, you can buy cigars. The only thing is that you're only allowed to take 100 cigars per person.
Oh, that's it?
Which for me sounds more than great. Also, we're gonna see the Pink Street. I'll tell you the history about this place. So Pink Street, as a lot of people call it. I don't have to tell you what, right? But the real name is Paseo Doña Blanca. Blanca is the last name. Blanca in Spanish, white in English. This place was made in honor of this lady sitting over here. In the 1898, she arrived to the city of Puerto Plata. So family, welcome to Independence Plaza, or Central Park as a lot of people call it. Independence Plaza, because if you look over there, there's two statues of those two gentlemen that were responsible for us to be free and independent back in 1844. 27th of February, 1844. In front of the statue, the yellow and white building, that's our city hall. City hall of the city of Puerto Plata. So that means the mayor of the city right now is inside there making money. Working hard. Also, in the Victorian house, as I was explaining on the way up here. That building over there, first and second floor with the yellow windows, that's the oldest ice cream shop in town. And they made themselves the ice cream. Very, very, very good. If you like to get some, you can do over there. They have prices of $2, $4, $6 depending on the size. And the big building on the back there, that's the cathedral. Catholic is main religion of the Dominican Republic, Catholic Church. So you can go inside, have a look, take some pictures. And now is 12:17. 12:30 in 13 minutes, yes. Our bus is gonna pick us up right here. This is the bus stop. So feel free to walk around, see the area, go to the cathedral, get some ice cream. If you need bathrooms, there is bathrooms at the ice cream shop. We're gonna visit the Central Park, or Independence Plaza as the real name is, and also the cathedral. Catholic is main religion of the Dominican Republic, so you can go inside, have a look, walk around and take some pictures. Around 80% of the people are Catholic. The rest 20%, we have other religions like Christians, Evangelics, Mormons, bunch of alcoholics as well. Well, maybe, or maybe you can be like me. Sunday morning go to church, Sunday night go to bar. Do both religions in one day, yeah. Also, we're going to visit the Embark Museum, and also we're going to be driving around the boulevard in front of the Atlantic Ocean. You can drink it right away, but the longer you leave it mixed with the wood, the better it will taste. You can drink it cold temperature or cold from the refrigerator as well. But the important of the Mama Juana is the wood inside. As I said, every time it's finished, you just keep refilling it, and the oldest the best.
What did you say the wood is?
The main one is called palo indio, like Indian wood.
It's different than palo.
That's native from here. People get at the countryside and they make tea out of it. When you taste the Mama Juana, you will find on the taste a little taste like medicine.
Yeah.
Then you feel the rum going all the way down here. That's why it's good for after lunch for digestion. It's good for blood pressure and also good for babies. Yeah, to make them. Just in case, let me know. Double shot, you make twins. So this gentleman is gonna pass around for you to have a shot of Mama Juana. We'll drive around the baseball stadium as well, which is our #1 sport. I'm gonna be talking a lot today. We'll give you some information, history. So any question you have in mind, bring it on. Don't be shy, okay? Look at this sign. The name of the city, Puerto Plata, to your right. Puerto Plata is a union of two words. First of all, the city of Puerto Plata was created in the 1502 by Nicolas de Obando. And the name of Puerto Plata came from the pirates that used to come here, and also Christopher Columbus. Port is Puerto, Plata is silver. But one more time, we have no silver in the city, no gold in the city. It was just some thoughts that they had. It was a kind of a mistake. What we have in the city? Amber. Exactly. That's what we have the most. And to the right, you can see the little boats in there. That's the fishing club. The people take those boats to go fishing. When they come back, they sell everything they catch right here. So it's like a fisherman's association. It's not that anybody can show up here, take a boat and go, no. these other people. When they come back, they sell it right there, 100% fresh. We're visiting today at Amber and Larimar Factory. Let me explain you. Maybe most of you remember about Jurassic Park movie in the 1993. So a part of this movie was filmed here in Puerto Plata. The part of the movie where they show the piece of amber with the mosquito inside, that one was here. And that piece of amber with the mosquito, we don't have it. It was given to Steven Spielberg as a way to thank him for bringing the movie here into Puerto Plata. But in Puerto Plata, that's all we have, amber. We have one of the biggest amber mine of the island is here around the countryside about an hour from here. And also, that's why the name of this cruise port, Amber Cove. Amber Cove is a private port. It was owned and built by Carnival. So just Carnival cruise ships are allowed to go in here. It was opened in 2015. Besides Amber Cove, we have another cruise port in town. It's called Taino Bay. Taino Bay was opened on December 2021, and that's where Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, MSC, Norwegian, Virgin, that's where they go. But here, just for Amber Cove. So Amber Cove was named in honor of all the amber that we produce in Puerto Plata. Taino Bay was named Taino Bay in honor of the first people living in this island before Christopher Columbus arrived here in the 1492. They were the Taínos Arawak, used to live in Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Cuba as well. So in honor of them, they named the port like that. So, welcome to the Amber and Larimar factory. As we wait for the other, let me show you in here. For example, this is the map of the Dominican Republic. Right now, we are up here, Puerto Plata. As I said, we're in the north of the island, so we face the Atlantic Ocean. This pink area here, this is us, Puerto Plata. And over here, it is, as I said, where we have one of the biggest amber mine of the island. So all about amber, we get it from here in Puerto Plata.
I'm on Carnival Venetia, and we took this this tour bus right here for an excursion called the Top 10 Highlights of Puerto Plata. And Puerto Plata is a city in the northern side of Dominican Republic. One of the things that I learned on this tour is they don't get hit by hurricanes like the rest of some of the Caribbean islands out here. Not all of them get hit by hurricanes, but this city does not. And he explains that during the tour. And if you can see these mountains here behind me, we're over here at this fort. Just stopped here for like 15 minutes. There's a restroom break, and you can get some souvenirs and stuff. And this beautiful beach. All of this is just adding to everything else that I've seen on this tour.
Before you get off the bus, please make sure you take everything back with you. Make sure you don't forget anything on the bus. And I'll just say thank you very much for coming today and joining us. Hope all of you had a great time today with us. Keep enjoying your vacation. Have a safe way back home. We'll see you next time, alright? Thank you very much. Don't forget to share your experience on the Carnival website. Leave us some reviews there on the Top 10 Best of Puerto Plata. Thank you in advance for that one. Next time you come back to Puerto Plata, remember, you're leaving your daddy here.